Want to customize your MLBB background music? First, you need to download these apps. Second, open your ZArchiver, go to Download folder and create a new folder named Default and Edited. Once done, you need to convert your song into WAV. To do that, just search on your browser MP3 to WAV. Once done, go to this folder: Android, Data, Com, Mobile, Legends, Files, Dragon 2017, Assets, Audio, Android. Search for BGM_main city_joy.2021.bnk. Long press, then copy and paste it to the folder you create named Default.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Once done, find your desired song you want to be your default background music in MLBB, copy and paste it on the default folder. After that, go to Sbank Editor, click Open Soundbank. Then go to Download folder and the default folder you created. Open and click the BGM. Click on 3 dots, then Wave to WEM. Click OK. Then wait for the ads appear. If done, click Open Wave. Then click the song you wanted. Then click Convert. Wait until it succeeds.
I am here.
Then click the check mark. Then click on 3 dots. Then find Details. Then just click this, it will copy to your clipboard automatically.
I went a bit too far.
Click BGM and
I will fight alongside you, brother.
ZArchiver. Go to search and search for volume.
Where are you looking? I am here. Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Click the result. Then find the p-value.
Where are you looking? I am here.
Then replace the 6 into 1. It should be -1.0, then click OK.
Far. Where are you looking?
Now go back to search and for duration.
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
Then click the second result, then replace the value of f duration to the duration you copied lately.
Darn it! I went a bit too far. Mega kill! Wiped out.
Then click on P2 array markers.
I am here.
Then ignore the first one. Focus on the second, AK music marker WYs. Then find the F position with a value. Then replace it with your copied duration.
Darn it! I went a bit too far. My brother and I will shoulder the family glory.
Then go back to search. Then the first result, which is FSRC duration, click it. Then replace the FSRC duration to your copied duration.
Darn it! I went a bit too far. Where are you looking? I am here. Darn
Then replace the value of F play it and F begin trim offset to 0.
Darn it! I went a bit too far. Darn it! I went a bit too far. I will fight alongside you, brother.
Once done, click on Save.
Where are you looking?
Then press back button. Then click Save. Now save that file to the Edited folder.
Where are you looking? I am here.
After that, go to ZArchiver, then the folder you saved. Copy and paste to Android, Data, Com,
Here.
Mobile, Legends, Files, Dragon 2017, Assets, Audio, Android.
Darn it! I went a bit too far.
We're not done yet. Now open your MLBB app, then press Settings, Sounds, then Customize. Find Joy's Joy. Click the plus icon, then remove the default background music, then press back. That's all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have a problem, feel free to comment and I will try my best to answer your question. Thank you for watching.